Hi guys. Tonight I'm going to do a split cup pour. So here's my split cup. 5 chambers on there. It's dirty, but it's just on the outside. It's not, you know, dirty on the inside. So we're going to use black paint, Amsterdam, Oxide black. And then some resin pigments that I'm using. They're Let's Resin interference powder pigments, and they look like this. So that one's interference violet, and it comes with 6 different colors. Interference gold, which I haven't used yet, interference silver, interference pink, interference blue, which I'm almost out of. I'm sad, I like that one a lot. Looks really good with violet, and interference green. And excuse me, interference violet. It comes with 6 little resin pigments, and I just mix them with my BEHR 8300 interior exterior high gloss enamel, the deep base clear one, so that I can tint it myself. And I end up, and then some Floetrol and Gloss Varnish, gloss medium, a little bit of water, and I just make my own interference pigments. So we're going to use interference pink, interference indigo, which is a mix of the interference violet and the blue, and then interference turquoise, which is a mix of the interference green and interference blue. So all 3 of those. And then between them, I'm going to put black. These 2. I'm going to pour it out on the canvas and see what happens. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to put some paint down on the canvas so that we have something to pour into. Excuse me. I don't want to put a whole lot of paint down because I kind of want to see what's going to happen when it makes it to the edges. I see a floater. It's got to come out. No, sir. Oh, maybe it was just a bubble. Disappeared. This torch. I dropped my torch and it's not acting right. But I have another one, so it's fine. When this one actually dies, I'll be fine. Torch it one more time. I see some more air coming up. Okay. Set this aside so we can layer our cup. Okay. So we got pink, turquoise, and indigo. I think I'm gonna do pink, turquoise, and indigo. Sounds right. Alright, so turquoise in the middle. A little paint on there. I'm just gonna take the lid off so I can pour it easier. You guys can't see what I'm doing. I want to fill it up pretty good. There's the turquoise. I'm going to put black on either sides. And then pink on one end, indigo on the other. I'm really interested to see what this is gonna look like when it's dry. Interference colors just look white almost. And then when they dry, they have the coolest color effect, like change. Okay, I'm being dangerous. I'm gonna put this up. I don't want to drip into my turquoise yet. I don't want to drip into it at all. Okay, so now we got indigo. And pink. I'll definitely be posting the dry results because you can't really tell what these look like until they're dry. So, dry results at the end. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna torch this a little bit. I think I need a little more pink too. Looks kind of low. Torch this real quick for some bubbles. One more torch on this. Something you can do too that usually works is just tap it a couple times. Just like you would do with a cake to get the air out of it. Just kind of tap it. And some more air will usually surface. Okay, this I'm just gonna pour out in a spiral pattern and see what comes of it. Let's go. I'm gonna reverse my spiral. Reverse it one more time. Ooh, I really like the black and white ribbons. I know they won't dry that way, but I love the way it looks right now. Interested to see what all of these different interference colors come out like. I hope they look really nice together. I do like pink, turquoise, and indigo together, so I'm gonna reverse that at the very last second. Create a little tunnel. Woo! Barely got it. Yay! There's so much air in here. Look at that. Bubbles. Bubbles everywhere. It's fine. Might make a really cool effect. Here's the cup. Can't really see much. It just looks like black and white right now. Okay. I'm gonna torch it again because there's a million air bubbles. Really cool effect though. Really, really cool effect. The air bubbles popping in here. Digging it. Okay. Some black paint around the sides. to help her get going. Like the whole thing is sliding off the side. So I'm gonna slide it back this way before I start tilting it. Ooh, I can already see some turquoise. Okay, I got my center where I want it. I really like all these bubbles popping up. They're making it look speckled, but it's so cool looking. It's like a piece of stone or something, or like a riddled tree, an old like riddled tree. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna spin it. Woo, a lot of paint. It's okay because I'm gonna use this paint down here that drips to make skins and magnets out of. Oh, this is nice. I really, really like this. I don't think I want to spin it again. I think I just want to tilt it. Get my center back towards the center more. I don't know if you guys can see the interference colors on this, but they're amazeballs. I don't mind if it's off center. I think I'm just trying to stretch out the turquoise a little more on this side. I'm loving it. I am loving this. I don't know, can you guys see any of the interference colors? You guys, wow. Wowzers. Now I'm really excited to see what it dries like. I do have to torch it again, so we might get some more of these little speckly bubbles that I'm loving. I like it because they're in the layers. It almost looks like some sort of textured paint. Like some sort of textured rock, not paint, sorry. Really groovy. Make sure that I got all of my corners.